In this video, we will introduce following widgets: chart wheel, pie slice, and QR code. Chart wheel is a composite widget that consists of 5 parts. First, we will introduce the X and Y axis. The min and the max are the maximum and the minimum values of the range. X type has 2 options. Can be set according to your need. At is the position of the coordinate axis. Next, the split line is the parameter of the split line. It can be automatically checked to true or false. And the line is the parameter of the axis. Now let's talk about label. Label is the parameter of the scale value. Inverse is whether support inverse. Offset is the offset relative to the initial position. You can see the effect of the offset. Offset percentage is whether the offset is a percentage. If checked, it is in percentage form. If unchecked, it is pixels ratio form. Next, we'll introduce the bar series. Value is the corresponding value. Set it according to your needs. Series axis and value axis are the axes of series position and series value, respectively. When they are empty, the default is the first one. Bar is the parameter of the bar graph. Capacity is the capacity of the serial FIFO, which needs to be bound to the x-axis and the y-axis to set. The offset is mentioned in the previous video, so it will not be repeated here. Display mode is the display mode. You can see the effect of these two different display modes. Value animation is the duration of the sequence animation. That is the animation time required for each value increase. Just set it to 0 if you don't need it. Next, we introduce the line series. Line series is a strip chart with more properties than bar series. The 4 colors above are the color of the area, the color of the line, the color of the dot, and the color of the dot border. Line border width is the thickness of the line border. Symbol round reduce is the reduce of the point. It is a square when it is 0. Value is a set of sequence values. Series access and value access have already been mentioned, so it will not be repeated here. Line is the parameter of the series curve. Area is the parameter of the area, enclosed by the curve and the axis of the series. Symbol is the parameter of the series point. Capacity is the capacity of the serial FIFO. Other properties can be set according to your needs. Then we will introduce tooltip. Many properties of tooltip are similar to line series, so it will not be repeated here. Line is the parameter of the maker line. Symbol is the parameter of the maker point. Tip is a text parameter. Next, we will introduce pi slice. X offset and Y offset are the offsets in X direction and Y direction. Max is the maximum value. Value is the current value, which can be automatically formed as a percentage with max. Start angle is the starting angle. Inner reduce is the thickness of the circle cut. Unit is unit. Explode distance factor is used to extend the distance. Also, x2 and y2 are used together and are the expanded coordinates. Counterclockwise is weather counterclockwise. Show text is whether to show the text. Exploded is whether to expand to rectangle. Pressed is whether to press the mouse. A semicircle is whether to draw the arc or not. The above properties just be set according to your needs. Finally, we introduce the QR code widget. It can be automatically generates QR code based on the written value, supports digital, text, and URL forms. The next step is to show the command send and the data receive of the widget. SetLine can set whether the curve series boundary line is displayed smoothly or not. If it is false, the line chart is displayed. SetArea can set whether to show the shaded part of the curve series area. Set symbol can set whether the curve series marker points are displayed. Set value can set the date of the points of the curve series. It can also be set with push mode. It can also change the value of the bar chart according to set value. Set capacity can set the serial FIFO capacity of the serial point. Get value can guess the value of the index point. Get capacity can guess the FIFO capacity value of the serial point. Just parse the date according to the value returned. Note that after setting the capacity, you need to reset some values. We have updated some values by sending commands. The above instructions are related to line series, bar series. Set min and set max can set the min and max value. Apply to x-axis and y-axis. Set range can set the range of curve axis. Also apply to x-axis and y-axis. Set date can set the date of curve series point. Get min and get max can get the minimum and maximum values. The above commands are related to chart wheel. Pie slice is a pie chart widget. Set value can set the current value of the pie chart. Set max can set the maximum value of the pie chart. Set start angle can set the starting angle. Set radius can set the thickness of the circle line. Set show text can set whether to display the text of the current pie chart. The QR widgets can be changed by command and display the QR code in real time. For example, after sending this command, the QR code is changed to the corresponding value conversion. Above is demo related to chart wheel, pie slice, and QR code. Thank you for watching.